Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walk around tour of our 2016 Ford Ranger double cab limited pickup truck we have new in stock. This particular vehicle is a ULEZ compliant Euro 6 diesel, and I'm just going to walk you through some of the optional and standard features you get on the car. To begin with, you've got the optional ocean blue metallic paintwork, the optional side steps, optional roller shutter on the rear of the car, and the optional Brink tow bar attachment with the external power plug. Some of the standard features on the exterior of the vehicle consist of the 17-inch alloy wheels in silver, some of the chrome trim inserts such as the chrome grille on the front, the chrome door handles and mirror surrounds, and then the chromed tubular sports bar on the rear cab of the vehicle. You can see some of the limited badging being displayed around the car. You've also got daytime running lights at the front and some of the matte silver trim inserts. You've got a full leather interior, full electric functions for the driver. You've got a leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel where you've got access to cruise control. You've got access to your exterior lighting from the controls on the right-hand side, and then access to your exterior mirrors, which are electronically folding from the buttons just above. On the centre console area, you've got your drive selector, some of your different driving modes and your transmission modes, some of your USB ports, and also two 12-volt ports in the front. You've also got a 12-volt port in the rear for the passengers. You've got your climate control functions further up, with heated seats for the driver and the passenger in the front. And then further up, you've got your centre screen where you've got access to some of your in-car features such as your DAB radio, your park assist functions for the rear, your heated seats for the front passengers as I spoke about earlier, and then the optional satellite navigation system as well. If you would like any more information, would like to book a viewing or a test drive on this 2016 Ford Ranger double cab pickup limited, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end or inquire for our website.